Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related on the video post on this channel. If you like the channel videos, click to the subscription button. Let's go to video. Now we are the discussion topic multivariate analysis in non-linear ordination technique UMAP method in past statistical software 4.16c version. So the what is non-linear techniques? The non-linear ordination techniques such as UMAP, uniform manifold approximation and projections are dynamicity reductions method used in biological sciences to analyze complex high dimensional data and visualize it in a low dimensional space. UMAP in particular is gaining popularity due to its ability to capture both local and global stature in the data, making it suitable for a wide range of biological applications. So go to the video sections. Okay, now open the past statistical software and the data already entered in the Excel sheet. So this is Excel sheet data entered. The data for the 10 different species and 10 different site they collect the species identification data. So the data copy paste to the past statistical software. So the select the data and go to the past statistical software and click to the column attributor and row attributor checkbox. Select the name column and the paste the data. So unclick the column attributor and row attributor checkbox. Then click for the select all. So go to the multivariate analysis and ordinations and last one selected for the non-linear ordinations UMAP. So open the UMAP the analysis menu. So before the similarity index selected for the client and the method selected for the UMAP. So the embedding the neighbor and embedding kernel. By adjusting the embedding neighbor and embedding kernel parameter are past 4.16c using can control the behavior and the characteristics of the UMAP embedding, allowing for the customized based on the specific record on the dataset. So this is for the adjust for the specific recording. So the standard the embed and neighbor the value for the 6. So the UMAP neighboring also the 6. So the click to the computing. So the data, this is the data analyzing in the UMAP. So the row checkbox for the row label and the group label. So this is for the site mentioned to the our dot mark. So the next one for the another three options for the minimum spacing the tree connected for the all the site and convex scales connected to the outer of the site. So the next one for the 95% ellipse the whole the data view on the particular locations. So the unclick the checkbox only selected for the row and the group label. So the this is for the UMAP in the past non-linear ordination technique in the past statistical software. So the score value for the next one tab value. So this is click to the score value and this is for a scatter plot of the UMAP. So the some side of the guide on the outer of the x-axis value. So the how to view on this side, go to the graph setting and the x-axis start end of the value 5 to change 6. So change to the 6. So the view on the site F and the J. So this is for the color and thick lines and the font change to the for the site value. So the particular font use change to the font options. Select to the menu. I'm just time Roman. So selected for the time Roman and font size for the 12. Okay, if you want the size of the symbol size increased, so the value increased. Okay, then 4, then close. Okay, the interpreting for the UMAP, the non-linear ordination technique result for the community ecology in the past 4.16c. involves understanding the how the high dimensional ecological data has been transferred into a low dimensional space for the visualizing and data analyzing. So the now to the analyze for the score value in the scatter plot. So the go to the score value. So the first one for the site A, the site A, where is site A? This is for site A. So the coordinations value the 1, this is coordinates 2 value. So the site A coordinations value, so the coordination 1 minus 2.404 and coordination 2 value 0.43562. So this is for the coordination value in the non-linear ordinations method. So the next one for the site I. So the site I value for the positive value in the coordination 1 3.8998 and coordination 2 for minus 2.0854. Okay, this is for the coordination value in the non-linear ordinations method. So the another the site I, site J and site F also the particular the single group, and the this is for the another one group for the site H, C, B, D, A, E and G. So this is for the scatter plot for the non-linear ordinations technique in the past statistical software. So the how to export for the this scatter plot in the JPG format. So the go to the graph setting menu and selected for the export options before the change to the format of our scatter plot. So select to the JPG format and click to the save as. So the select to the locations for the enter the name. I enter to UMAP. Okay. Then click to the save. Okay, our file is saved. So this is for the analyzing method in the multivariate analysis in non-linear ordination technique for the UMAP method, uniform manifold approximation and the productions. So if you like this video, click to the subscription button of, and if you any doubt on this video and the data analysis, leave me comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. This data source file upload for our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel mentioned to the description box link. So okay, thank you.